So welcome to today's lesson on creating graphs using Microsoft Excel. So what I've done is I've gone ahead and opened up our spreadsheet, and you can see there are a variety of cells listed here. And the first thing I'm going to need to do is type the data that I've collected from my experiment into this spreadsheet. So let's say I'm looking at a variety of different types of some object. Let's say we're looking at brands. So I have brand A, brand B, brand C, and brand D. Maybe instead I'm doing trials, I could say this is trial 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Regardless of what it is, let's type it in there. Brand A, let's say it lasts for 12 seconds. Brand B is 13. Brand C is 25, and brand D is 30. And we'll give it some labels. Call this brands, and we'll call this time, and we'll give it a label in seconds. You notice I didn't put the second label on any of these numbers because in Excel it either has to be a number or text. It can't tell the difference between when you put both of them in the same one. Now once you've reached this point, you need to highlight your data so you can tell the computer you want to do something with it, and find your insert menu, or there might be an icon in your menu bar, and you want to select the type of graph you're going to do. For this type of data, we're going to use a column type or bar graph. So let's go ahead and click that, and we'll select a 2D column graph, and you can see right here, here are the 4 brands we tested, and this is the amount of time up the side. So you can see it went ahead and pulled our labels and added that information here. As I said before, we could change this. This could be trials, and you can see now that I have it set up, it's very easy to edit. And you can see it changes on the graph. When we finish with this, we can add additional labels, text boxes, and information here by simply editing this box. We can also export this by simply right-clicking and copying this, and maybe going to a Word document to create a lab report, or simply just saving this entire spreadsheet and using it that way.